Hey guys, in case you missed this week's unboxing, no worries. We reviewed Togetherland, opened up Mind Your Beeswax and Waterworks, and next week's game is Lantern Slice. So, if you want to see every unboxing, don't forget to like this video and let's head over to our replay. Guys, welcome back to Bino Sester Malka's channel. Today we are going to unbox this cute little game. It's called Mind Your Beeswax. It is a social skills game for kids. But I have a huge surprise. Because I have a holiday coming up, we have actually a lot of time to play games. So we're going to unbox Mind Your Beeswax and a game I have been waiting to get for 2 years. This one is actually a gift. If you'd like to give a gift to unbox here, don't forget to message me and I will share with you how you can do it. And this is called Waterworks. But while we wait for everybody to join on, I would like to share this game. Last week we unboxed Togetherland. Let me tell you, I am seriously blown away by Togetherland. If you saw last week's video, I was a little like, oh my gosh, look how teeny this is. Again, another gift. If you want to give a gift to this channel and to my students, message me and I will share with you how. But anyway, this game is hands down the perfect inclusion game. This game is played similar to Uno, which, you know what, my students were so familiar with it. And as you could see here, we're just playing Uno, but each card has a different prompt. And I mean, I was so shocked because, you know what, some of my special needs students, they have so much inside of them, but they never have that opportunity to kind of have a voice and be heard. And Togetherland was a game, you know what? Let's play Togetherland. Let's play it like Uno. And as we play, we're going to ask each other questions, and in a controlled setting, some of my, mainstream students who love to talk and who just blah, 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 and never give anyone a chance to be heard, they're forced to take a step back, be quiet, and then to hear the other students. So highly recommend Togetherland. If you want to see this game, link above into my YouTube channel where I have more information. So for today's planned game, this one I bought is Mind Your Beeswax, a social skills game. And you know what? In an inclusion school, socialization can kind of get a little bit lost because, like I said, you have the mainstream students who like to talk. Some of my special needs students like to talk as well, but some of them are a little more reserved. And so I'm hoping this will kind of bring both groups together. So first of all, it's a very pretty game. It's got a bee on the cover. At the beginning of the year, we happen to have done a lot about bees, so I think just by default, this will be exciting for them. It looks like a card game. Compared to Togetherland, it's a little bit of a shorter, skinnier card game. So, taller card game. So it's a little bit bigger than your average cards. And let's actually open it. Okay. All right, so they plastic wrapped it really well. Okay. Just another thing, I happen to love blue and yellow. Students go through a lot of yellow, so this is, great for me and for them. The cards, they are taller, as you could see here. So you have these cute graphics over here. Not really sure what they're for. It says, what are you? So these are instructions for the teacher. Okay, so we have, oh no, they all have instructions on it. Okay, so I'm just going to read one because I have no clue what these are. Building the hive. On the back of each card is part of the beehive. There are 6 parts in total. Okay, so we have the back. So I guess these are the instructions. We have 6 parts. When the group wins an activity, completes a mindful moment, they get to keep the card. Oh, so that's really cute. You kind of I love this idea. Oh my gosh, so based on my understanding, just skimming through the card, you have these cute graphics, which who doesn't love cute graphics, Give this video a thumbs up if you like cute graphics. And then on the back, you have mindfulness group activities. I work in an inclusion school and getting kids together. I have one student who struggles with socialization. I cannot wait to introduce this to my students this week. So, I don't know much about this game. I'll update you next week, but just by opening it, whoa, I am so blown away. And oh, if you guys want to hear more about, Mind Your Beeswax, well, head over next week because we are definitely going to, share with you Mind Your Beeswax and go through it more in depth. So speaking of Mind Your Beeswax, I've really never heard of it until it just showed up in my Amazon feed, and I'm like, huh, that looks interesting. So if you actually have Mind Your Beeswax, so then let me know. So for today's surprise unboxing, I have Waterworks. This one was given to me by my family because we have a holiday coming up, and this is a game they want to play. Small background story. I grew up with Waterworks when I was little. We're talking about like 10 years old little. I totally forgot how to play Waterworks. And every time I had a little bit of money in my account, I was like Googling which game should I get, and checked for Waterworks because just for nostalgia over the past 2 years, and it was always sold out. So my parents surprised us for the holiday, and they actually bought Waterworks. So I am super, super excited. Are there any games that you guys had that's just, nostalgia and brought back? This one actually says the original leaky card game. I think it says somewhere it includes metal wrenches. I'm not sure if that was part of the original game. Like I said, my only memories of this game is my family and I sitting around laughing and playing. And that alone, any game that can get, I had a huge family. Any game that can get together a huge family to laugh and play is so worth it. And this was like a $10 game. He clearly doesn't want to open $10 game. But like I said, for $10 to laugh, I hope that we're going to enjoy it and relive those memories, because we all forgot how to play, but all of us unanimously just remember sitting and laughing. So I am really excited to introduce, here are the metal wrenches. How funny is this? How super adorable. This surprised me. Oh, this is adorable. Let's take one out for you guys. They're like real metal wrenches, like 3D. Oh, how cute are these little guys? Now I'm really excited to play, because in our version, it didn't have it. So one thing about the box, it is a nice size. I have seen, Hasbro makes games this size, particularly Uno. I hate these boxes. Let me repeat. I hate these boxes. You have 2 decks of cards, putting them in. You always have a bent card, and it just does not work for me. So, if you guys actually have a solution for games this size in these type of boxes, let me know. Back to the game Togetherland over here, it all stacks up. So I play the game, stack it right back up, and put it away. It's such a simple solution, but Waterworks, they seem to have taken a whole other level. Okay, we opened it. 2 decks. Anyway, so you have your Waterworks game, the back of the card, not really designed very well, but oh well, who cares? Then you have your leaky pipes over here. You have some fixed pipes over here. You have more leaky pipes over here, and just different types of pipes. From my understanding or remembering, because I did play the game, I think you have to kind of like build a pipe and break each other's pipes, and I don't remember how you win. You can stop the pipes, but it's coming back to me as I'm looking at these pieces. So you have copper, you have metal. I really can't wait to play. So I am so looking forward. The holiday starts tomorrow. So next week, so much happening next week. So much, I can't wait. Next Sunday, we're going to tell you how Waterworks turned out, along with these adorable new metal pipes. I'm also going to share with you Mind Your Beeswax and how we use it in the inclusion setting. Because you know what? These games allow everyone to really hear each other, and I have to actually make a whole post on that, like what it means to be an inclusion school. Thanks, guys, for the idea. And to top it off, so we have Mind Your Beeswax Waterworks. To top it off, we are definitely going to do an unboxing of lanterns. I have heard so much about this game, and I am so happy to have it in my collection. But as you all know, I try very, very hard. Unboxing a game a week is very costly, so I try very hard to find another warehouse deal. So this is from the warehouse. I am so excited, discounted and all, for me to share with you guys. So don't forget to come back next week. Togetherland, huge hit for the inclusion classroom. Next week we're going to unbox Mind Your Beeswax, Waterworks, I'm going to tell you about these games. We're going to unbox Lanterns Dice. And before we end this video, I would like to ask you kindly to click the link above to my YouTube channel where I have full-length videos. I have longer tutorials. And if you have a question, message me here and I will answer them in a video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching our unboxings. If you want any of these games, I highly recommend Togetherland. I mean, whoa, as you just saw from my unboxing, every single link to every single game is below in our description box. So before you check out, head over to the description box, click on the game that you want. It will take you directly to the Amazon page where you can learn more about these products. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss another unboxing or any game review, because I have so many exciting games coming up. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And oh my goodness, it annoys me, but YouTube will not allow comments. But that's one of the main reasons we opened up our Instagram page. So check out the link below to our Instagram page. And any questions you want, send me a message and I'm here just for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a good day.